Morning guys, Simon here at Unity Sands again. Hope you're all well. Just wanted to show you something fairly exciting taking place right now here down by Primrose Way and the fishing pond, not the ducks. What I want to show you are the lodges that are now going on to the edge of Primrose Way, overlooking the fishing pond and a really beautiful part of the park. So the guy's busy at the moment getting these lodges put on. What I want to show you is this. It's a brand new Willoughby, Boston, 2-bedroom. Huge thing. So much space in here. And right on the edge of our Primrose Way development. So let's get myself in here and you can see straight away this is enormous. Such a large thing. Residential spec, bags and bags of space. There we are, there's our cloakroom and boiler. Somewhere for your coats and shoes and boots. I mean, this thing is enormous. I haven't got to tell you about central heating and double glazing, it's standard. But here we are, so much space in this unit. These Bostons really are cavernous. Freestanding furniture, you can choose to move this around how you wish. Nice sliding double doors there that will go out ultimately onto a decking that the new owner will have fitted. I mean, look at your view. And this really comes into its own as the sort of afternoon wears on. That is where the sun sets over the pond. Beautiful area. I mean, you can see how big this thing is. And you can imagine being only a 2-bedroom, the bedrooms equally are huge. Lovely fitted kitchen. Again, loads of space. So much storage. Standardised with your dishwasher. Your fitted fridge and your freezer. Let's get down into those bedrooms and bathrooms. So there's the master bathroom in this lodge. Full-size bath, showers there, fitted, storage, basin WC. I'll take you into bedroom number 1, which is a twin. These are full width single beds. Again, space in here is incredibly generous. There we are. And we'll take you through into the master bedroom. Again, absolutely huge. So our lovely full-size bed, open plan walk-in wardrobe area, and vanity seat, and again incredibly generous ensuite full bathroom. The guys are almost done with this. It just needs plumbing, electrics wired up. But this is going to make a wonderful, wonderful position and holiday home for one lucky customer. Just get in touch with me, ask me questions about it. Book a viewing, 07973 620 351. I mean, there are loads of wonderful parts to this park, but this one overlooking the pond, the fishing lake, right there. Head and shoulders above many parts. So your site fees will deliver you 12 passes for all your friends to use all the facilities here that we've got to offer. And there are many. Whatever you guys are doing today, enjoy the sunshine. Get the sun cream on. Make sure you've got a few cold drinks. Stay safe and I'll be in touch very soon, guys. Take care of yourselves.